Remember, hindi lang score ng video kay kinuha natin. May kukunin pa tayong score sa mga judges.
Yes, tama po yan.
Right?
Yeah.
So, wag kayong uuwi. Baka mapasama pa rin kayo sa top 10 kahit hindi maganda yung score sa video.
Tama yun. Gaya ng sinabi ni paring ninyo, hindi porkit mababa yung sa video king score, eh talo na kayo. Meron po tayong mga judges.
Yes, at syempre ang criteria for natin for judging ay 50% is the voice quality. And 35%, DJ, bigyan mo ka na medyo malakas. Check it.
Sa bawat hakbang ko
50% voice quality, 35% ang total performance ng ating challenger at 15% ay audience impact. At ang grade po na makukuha nila sa video ay inatabi. Kukunin din ang overall grade ng mga hurado pagsasamahin at yun ang magiging total ng inyong performance dito sa
Okay. So ngayon tuloy-tuloy tayo. Tatawagin natin ang ating ika-13 contestant.
shout out sa ating Chinese community kay Mr. Wong Kisa. Chong Chong Chiwo.
may malasakit sa
Sino?
From Orchid Street,
Orchids.
Mr. Joel Evangelista.
Ha?
Joel Evangelista.
Mga kaibigan na sa mga nagtatanong na kung sino si Joel Evangelista.
Mula sa Orchids.
Siya po ang araw-araw na naririnig ng Barangay Wawa.
Mula pala sa Orchids. Akala ko mula sa Baguio.
Orchids.
Parang ginaw na ginaw ka si Kuya eh.
Barangay Wawa, lalabas na po, dadaan na po ang basura para sa mga basura. Huwag yun ang tinabas. Siya po yun.
Okay, so
Sir Joel, taga saan ka?
Orchid Street.
Orchids daw! Ayan! Oh!
Yan yung mga contestant.
Oh! Hiray mo yan, pare.
Hindi na natin matatagalin.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat.
Ayun, oh.
Kapitana, magandang
Para
gabi.
sa... Oh, teka lang, nawala yung
Lahat ng
number.
mga
Teka lang,
judges.
teka lang, teka lang.
Letra B, 9.
Yes, boy! Tama.
Shout out, Shana. I love you.
Alright, para sa awiting How Can I Tell Her? Barangay Wawa, palakpakan natin, Mr. Joel Evangelista.
She knows when I'm lonesome. She's proud when I'm sad. She's in a good time. She's there in the bed. Whenever I'm discouraged, she knows just what to do. But girl, she doesn't know about me. I can tell her my troubles. She makes them all seem right. I can make up excuses not to hold her down. We can talk on tomorrow. I'll tell her things that I want to do. But girl, I cannot tell her about you. How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you? How can I tell her could miss him whenever I'm away. How can I say it's you I think of every single night and day? But when it is easy telling someone we're true, girl, help me tell him about you. How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you? Thank you.
Yan, thank you so much, Mr. Joel Evangelista. 80. Thank you, sir. 80. And shoutout sa ating kaibigan na nagmula sa Barangay Kanluran sa bayan ng Pateros. Kay Kagawad Danny Cortez. Ayan, ang magiging kapitan ng susunod ha.
Dami, Gorgeous.
Andiyan si Sir Danny. Kagawad.